Merry Christmas, Devlin. Are you ready to go downstairs?
Hello.
Let's go.
Come on. I want to see my new drum set. My new drum set!
Oh my!
Trampoline!
Oh my goodness!
What the heck? Two balls? I even got an electric guitar.
Oh my goodness!
Try out my new drum set. Wow! This is mine. I'm gonna try it out first.
Awesome,
You know
Devlin.
No, like, no, you have to have drums.
Blake.
Devlin, you know what?
Blakey.
I think that's for both of you, because look, you have your guitar here, he has his trampoline here, and that's in the middle. Wow.
Blake, did Ho Ho come?
Wow. How good he is at that.
What do you think, Devlin?
You want to try it out, Blake? Yeah. Go ahead. Let me tell you one thing before you try it out. Blake, I want to tell you one thing before you try it out. What? This is a brand new one, and it will never break. It's a full drum.
Well, we still don't want to hit it too hard, do we?
Yeah, not too hard.
Blakey, Merry Christmas.
And this is my brand new one. Blake, you always